Earth's crust is made up of many tectonic plates that are constantly moving. These plates are located in the lithosphere. The two types of plates are oceanic and continental. Oceanic plates differ from continental plates as they are thinner, newer, weaker, warmer, and denser than continental plates. Because these plates are constantly in motion, there are a few different ways in which they interact with each other. The three types of plate boundaries are divergent, convergent, and transform. Divergent plate boundaries are plates that move apart. This is where new crust is born. New magma moves up through the boundary and dries as new crust. Divergent plate boundaries have high heat fluxes, which is where hydrothermal vents emit hot water and nutrients. Because the rate at which heat and energy come up to the surface is very high, the water dissolves a lot of the rock and carries it up to the surface. Basalt rock is likely to be seen on the seafloor near mid-ocean ridges. For example, a divergent plate boundary would be a mid-Atlantic ridge. A convergent plate boundary occurs when two plates move towards each other. One plate must subduct under the other during these collisions. Subduction generates seafloor trenches, which are huge canyons that appear near many coastlines. In regards to oceanic plate and a continental plate, when they collide, the oceanic plate will subduct below the continental since it is denser. The volcanoes that occur as a result of subduction are generally on the continental side of a trench. Earthquakes are also a result from subduction. Subduction can also occur with continent-continent collisions, where the plates crumble and create large mountain belts, like the Himalayas. Lastly, transform plate boundaries occur when two plates slip past each other. The majority of transform faults are in the ocean crust. They generally cause low tsunami risk, no volcanism, and shallow earthquakes. The main consequence of transform faults is the changes they make to topography. An example of this kind of boundary is the San Andreas Fault. To summarize, plate tectonics are a major part of why the Earth looks and acts the way that it does. The three different types of plate boundaries are divergent, convergent, and transform. The movements of these plates are crucial to the topography of Earth, as they are responsible for the formation of mountains, the cause of earthquakes and volcanoes, and the cycle of the Earth's crust.